All right, good afternoon. You're welcome to our maths lesson today on indices. I am your regular teacher, Mr. Moses. Our problem today looks simple, yes, but it's a bit complicated. For the math students, you know very well, this looks simple. You see the base 9, we have 2 here, we have 9, we have 4. It's only 2 and 4 are related, but 9 is not related, so it looks simple. So let's see how we can solve it. All right, we write out the question. We have 2 raised by 2x plus 1 minus 9, 2 raised by x plus 4 equals to 0. That's our question for today. Now, you have to break this down. If you want to solve it like this, it's going to be difficult. When you break this down, you agree with me from your law of indices that this is the same thing as 2 raised by 2x times 2 raised by 1 minus 9 into 2 raised by x plus 4 equals 0. Yes. Now, you also agree with me that this is the same thing as saying 2x raised by 2. So we can leave it here, but before then, let's form an equation so that we will be able to solve this. Let's say that 2 raised by x equals to y. If 2 raised by x equals to y, we will have here that y squared times 2. 2 raised by 1 is 2 minus 9y. Remember that 2x equals to y. Minus 9y plus 4 equals 0. Now, 2 times this, we have the 2y squared minus 9y plus 4 equals 0. Yes, this has taken us to quadratic equation. Now we will be looking at the solving it quadratically. Let's say 2 times 4, we have 2y squared times 4. That will give us 8y squared. So we'll be looking for two numbers that if you multiply, don't forget this your equation because we need it later. Don't forget that you're looking for two numbers. If you multiply it, it gives you 8, and if you add it, it gives you 9. What are the two numbers? If you multiply, it gives you 8, and if you add, it gives you 9. What are the two numbers? Multiply, you have 8y squared. If you add, let's go for 8 and 1. Yes, 8 and 1. If you take 8 and 1, if you multiply, you have plus 8. So that should be minus 8y minus y. Yes. Now you bring it, replace this with that number, you have your 2y squared minus 8y minus y plus 4 equals 0. Yes, you replace it with this. Now, what is common here? We have 2y is common there. Then you have y minus 4. Yes, we are factorizing now y minus 4. What is common here? Let's take 1 out. If we take 1 out, you have this y minus 4. I hope you understand me up to this level. Now we move to this other side. See what is inside the bracket is the same. Now you have 2 minus 1 into y minus 4 all equals to 0. If this and this equals to 0, that means one of the components is equal to 0. Then you have a 2y minus 1 equals to 0, or you have that y minus 4 equals. Then from here, you're making y subject of formula. You see that 2y equals to 1. Then divide both sides by 2. Let's cancel this. You have that y equals to 1 over 2. Or you put this is direct y equals to 4 comes over here, it turns to 4. Is either y is half or y is 4. Now you take it back to the main equation. Recall from what we did, recall that our 2x equals to y. So if we are putting the best value of y, which is using 1 over 2, which is the same thing as 2 raised by minus 1, for y, remember we calculated that y and had these two values. Y equals 1 over 2, which is the same thing as 2 raised by minus 1. You bring it here, you have that 2 raised by x equals to 2 raised by minus 1. 2 will cancel 2 and x is minus 1. Then we do the same here. If we are using y equals to 4, which we got here, you bring it here. You remember from our equation that there's 4 is the same thing as 2 raised by 2. So you put it here, 2 raised by 2. This will cancel this. and x equals to 2. So the two values for x to be equals to 0 that you input from the main equation for x to be equals to 0 will be -1 and 2. Yes, that's where the class for today stops. Thank you very much. I remain your regular teacher, Mr. Moses. Please like, subscribe, follow, and share. If you have any difficult question, please drop it in the comment section and we will treat it in one of these days.